All right, so Wilwood wants you to put this in the front. So when you do that, you can't run a sway bar. That's what this here is for. Got the coil over in there. The problem is, come on, focus. This bolt, you can't get it in. So you have to loosen up these bolts for the steering. That one and this one. Push it in to get this bolt started, which is in now, but I still have this loose. And to hold the bolt, which is inside there, Jay made a special wrench for it. But if you change those bolts out to an Allen socket head with the wobble, you could hold it in place and tighten up the backside, which is a locking nut. So that's the only reason that you have to put this stuff in the front. So we finally just figured out that we got it on there, the bottom bolt on there. So now we're going to put it all back together and tighten everything up and do the same for the other side. We just spent an hour and a half trying to figure out what was wrong. I looked at a video and they're putting this on the front, which isn't good because your brake line is here and then it's got to come over here, which is not right.
And then you can't run the sway bar.
No sway bar, which will be installed in a little while. Hope this helps you. Let me make sure I get everything in the picture here. Had to take the washer off of that to get just a little bit more movement out of this arm. If you have a different arm and it has a little bit of a space right here, you won't have a problem getting this bolt started. But starting the bolt is the problem. Tightening it's not a problem, but there's not enough room here. And then the upper ones are the upper ones, and they give you all the information for that. So there you go.